Here we're in the attic. We just came up our new stairs. You can see we're putting down floorboards. We're removing all the old boards laying around, which you cannot see here. It's too dark. But all the new flooring you can see. All the pails that we've found up here, piles of them. Here's some boards that were up here, really wide boards. I'm keeping them here for the heck of it. Here we are up the stairs. And now we're going to go on to the roof. And here we are up on the roof. You can see we're a long ways up here. You can see we're about the height of most trees, except for our tree. And we're above most houses. And there's Chemung Street. So we're going to rip all this off. First take the railing off. That's going to take some time. We're going to reface the board underneath the railing. We're going to re-nail all the boards, replace any bad boards. And then we're going to put 1/2-inch very good quality plywood down. Liquid tape the seams with Geico tape, just silicone, with neoprene in it. And then we're going to Geico everything. We're also going to put some safety harness tie downs. If this is not one right here, we have to test that. And then later on we're going to repair these chimneys too. And we're going to repair this where it comes flying down through there. You can see the porch down there where we did last year, and the other roofs. See how they're already white. This one will be white too.